Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check Volksbank Online Banking login. So to start, Volksbank is a bank that you can use online, and you can go to the first page or the principal page, and you will find many things that you can do here. For example, transfers, central account overview, etc. So you can log in here and start using everything here. Are you looking for login? Just go to Switch Now online banking portal of your World Bank's reference bank. So you can go here and you can start logging here everything. And now you can search the bank here on online banking. And now you can log in here. For example, if you want to log in, you can go to the city postcode here. You can write it and find it. So that is how you can start doing it, as you can see. And well, that is how you can log in. Of course, you can start checking everything here little by little and check if you want to find your branch or something like that. You can log the video too if you want to see a tutorial for see how you can use it. You can do it, and well, that is how you can start using Volksbank online. And it's very easy. I think it's a very easy way to check your bank, and you don't need the app. Only you can go to the portal like this one and the site and check everything little by little. So guys, well, I hope this information helps you so much. If you want to check everything, you can visit the page, of course, and check everything that you can go here. So guys, well, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.